Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.